Hello students, we will discuss further topic of respiration for class 7. Today's topic is alveoli, mechanism of alveoli. So students, try to understand and concentrate here. The mechanism of respiration. Alveoli have tiny blood vessels. There are tiny blood vessels in alveoli, which blood vessels are known as pulmonary capillaries. Alveoli are the main where exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide gases takes place through the pulmonary capillaries. So, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place in pulmonary capillaries. This is the main place where exchange of gases takes place. This is the structure of bronchiole and alveoli. Look students. Bronchiole and alveoli. This region is called terminal bronchioles. This region, like sac-like structure, called alveoli, and this one is respiratory bronchioles. This sac-like structure is called alveolar sac. This one is lobular bronchiole, and this structure is smooth muscles. This one is alveolar duct, and these all red-like structures are called capillaries. So, this is clear from this diagram, bronchioles and alveoli, and mechanism of respiration. Exchange of gases in alveoli. How it takes place in alveoli. These all structures which is seen red structures is called blood capillaries, and oxygen in and carbon dioxide out. This process will be repeated in alveoli, and so mechanism of respiration takes place in alveoli. Exchange of gases in alveoli. This is the process and mechanism shown by this diagram. So it is clear from this diagram. Diaphragm. Everyone knows about diaphragm. Diaphragm is a muscle that separates the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity. It is a dome-shaped muscle and is located at the bottom of the lungs. It controls the process of respiration. You can understand with the help of this diagram. Breathing in, this posture is breathing in and this posture is breathing out. Chest expands. When we inhale air, chest expands. And this is ribs. And this one muscles like structure is called diaphragm. And when inhaled air, diaphragm contracts. And same process repeated in breathing out. Chest contracts. Opposite of the breathing in. Chest contract. And diaphragm relaxes. So, you can understand with the help of this diagram. This is the diagram of breathing in and breathing out. So, what is the difference in breathing in and breathing out? The main differences are when we inhale air, diaphragm contracts, and when we exhale air, diaphragm relaxes. And second differences is chest, when we inhale air, chest expands, and when we breathing out, when we exhale air, chest contracts. The drawing in of air as in breathing is referred to as inhalation. During inhalation, the diaphragm shrinks and moves inward. As a result, it provides more space to the lungs to expand. The act of expelling air from the lungs is referred to as exhalation. During exhalation, the diaphragm expands and moves outward. As a result, lungs shrink and the carbon dioxide gas comes out through the nose. Your topic is completed. We will discuss further topic in the next video. So please, your topic is completed and your chapter is also completed. So please like my video, share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.